No feedback row exists yet, so target medium is unknown. I can see the daily challenge UI plus a cookie banner blocking the lower area, so I will accept cookies first and then focus the search box. I'm starting with a broad, famous anchor title to get structured feedback quickly. I will commit the highlighted suggestion and then click the guess button because enter alone does not submit on the site. Type card is green for The Godfather, and my guess medium is movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther, and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1972. Rating is within 0.5, and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 9.2. Overlapping genres are crime and drama. No actors overlap among Marlon Brando, Al Pacino, James Caan, and no director overlap with Francis Ford Coppola. Constraints: the target is a movie released after 1972, rated slightly below 9.2, and it includes both crime and drama while not sharing those listed cast or director credits. Avoid repeating The Godfather. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest feedback says the target is newer than 1972, rated lower than 9.2 but within 0.5, and overlaps crime and drama with no shown actor or director overlap from The Godfather. Goodfellas is a strong next pro because it stays in movie crime drama while moving to a much newer year and a still high rating, which should tighten both arrows and possible cast or director overlaps. I'm selecting a different title and then clicking the guess button to register it. Type card is green for The Godfather Part Roman 2, and my guess medium is movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther, and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1974. Rating is within 0.5, and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 9.0. Overlapping genres are crime and drama. Overlapping actors are Al Pacino, Robert De Niro, and Robert Duvall. Overlapping director is Francis Ford Coppola. Constraints: the target is a movie released after 1974, rated slightly below 9.0, includes crime and drama, and shares those cast members plus Coppola as director. Avoid repeating The Godfather Part Roman 2. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The newest row shows a movie newer than 1974, with rating lower than 9.0 but within 0.5, overlapping crime and drama, and sharing Al Pacino, Robert De Niro, Robert Duvall, and Francis Ford Coppola. Apocalypse Now is a precise Coppola era probe after 1974 that can test whether the director overlap is the key signal and help narrowcast, year, and rating arrows further. I'm choosing a different title and ending by clicking guess to ensure submission. Type card is green for Apocalypse Now, and my guess medium is movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther, and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1979. Rating is farther, and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 8.4. Overlapping genre is drama, mystery, and war are not on the target. Overlapping actor is Robert Duvall, Martin Sheen, and Marlon Brando are not on the target. Overlapping director is Francis Ford Coppola. Constraints: the target is a movie released after 1979, rated below 8.4 by more than 0.5, as drama, does not have mystery or war, and shares Robert Duvall plus Coppola. Avoid repeating Apocalypse Now. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest feedback shows the target is newer than 1979, rated lower than 8.4 by more than 0.5, includes drama, excludes mystery and war, and overlaps Robert Duvall plus Francis Ford Coppola. The Outsiders is a strong next guess because it is a later Coppola movie with Robert Duvall and drama, and its lower rating should test whether we are close on year and cast while avoiding the prior title. I will select it and click guess to register the attempt. Type card is green for The Outsiders, and my guess medium is movie, so target media equals movie. Year is farther, and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1983. Rating is green, so the target rating is the same as 7.0. Overlapping genres are crime and drama. No actors overlap among C. Thomas Howell, Matt Dillon, and Ralph Macchio. Overlapping director is Francis Ford Coppola. Constraints: the target is a movie released after 1983, rated exactly 7.0, includes crime and drama, and is directed by Francis Ford Coppola while not starring those listed actors. Avoid repeating The Outsiders. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest row shows a Coppola-directed movie after 1983 with exact rating 7.0 and overlapping crime and drama, while the listed Outsiders actors do not overlap. The Cotton Club is a materially different next probe because it is a 1984 Coppola crime drama with a 6.5 rating and a different cast cluster, which should strongly test whether the exact rating or the Coppola crime drama pattern is the decisive constraint. I'm using a direct suggestion row click instead of repeating the prior key flow, then clicking guess to submit. Type card is green for The Breakfast Club, and my guess medium is movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther, and the down arrow means the target is older than 1985. Rating is farther, and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 7.8. Overlapping genre is drama. Comedy is not on the target. No actors overlap among Emilio Estevez, Judd Nelson, and Molly Ringwald. No director overlap with John Hughes. Constraints: the target is a movie older than 1985, rated below 7.8 by more than 0.5, includes drama but not comedy, and does not share those listed cast or director credits. Avoid repeating The Breakfast Club. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest visible feedback row shows the target is older than 1985, rated lower than 7.8 by more than 0.5, includes drama but not comedy, and does not share John Hughes or the listed Breakfast Club actors. Rumblefish is a strong next guess because it is a 1983 Francis Ford Coppola drama with a low 7.x rating and no comedy, which directly tests the earlier Coppola style signal against the newest older in 1985 constraint. I will refocus the search box, type the exact intended title, select the match in drop-down row, then click yes to ensure the submission registers. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The visible latest feedback row shows the target is older than 1985, rated lower than 7.8 by more than 0.5, includes drama, excludes comedy, and has no overlap with the shown Breakfast Club cast or John Hughes. The prior non-registered title attempts suggest search matching trouble, so I am changing strategy to a year-only query for 1984 to browse a narrow candidate list and select a valid movie row before clicking guess. This should register a real 6 guess and gives stronger year proximity information fast. Type card is green for Once Upon a Time in America, and my guess medium is movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther, and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1984. Rating is farther, and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 8.3. Overlapping genres are crime and drama. Overlapping actor is Robert De Niro. James Woods and Elizabeth McGovern are not on the target. No director overlap with Sergio Leone. Constraints: the target is a movie released after 1984, rated below 8.3 by more than 0.5, includes crime and drama, shares Robert De Niro, and is not directed by Sergio Leone. Avoid repeating Once Upon a Time in America. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Type card is green for The Untouchables, and my guess medium is movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther, and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1987. Rating is farther, and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 7.8. Overlapping genres are crime, drama, and thriller. Overlapping actor is Robert De Niro. Kevin Costner and Sean Connery are not on the target. No director overlap with Brian De Palma. Constraints: the target is a movie released after 1987, rated below 7.8 by more than 0.5, includes crime, drama, and thriller, shares Robert De Niro, and is not directed by Brian De Palma. Avoid repeating The 8 Untouchables. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. From the latest row, the target is a movie newer than 1987, rated lower than 7.8, with crime, drama, thriller overlap and Robert De Niro overlap, while Brian De Palma does not overlap. The poster hint is available, so I will first open it briefly for extra visual information, then make a materially different guess with Cape Fear, which fits post 1987 crime, drama, thriller and Robert De Niro, but changes director and year cluster. I am selecting the drop-down result and clicking guess to ensure a registered submission. Type card is green for The Great Escape, and my guess medium is movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther, and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1963. Rating is farther, and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 8.2. Overlapping genres are drama and thriller. Adventure is not on a target. No actor overlap is visible among Steve McQueen, James Garner, and Richard Attenborough. No director overlap with John Sturges. Constraints: the target is a movie newer than 1963, rated below 8.2 by more than 0.5, includes drama and thriller, does not include adventure, and does not share those listed actors or director. Avoid repeating The Great Escape. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest visible row shows only drama and thriller overlap. Adventure does not. The target is newer than 1963, and the rating is lower than 8.2. Since this is guess 8 and the choose a hint button is visible, I must take the permanent reveal actor hint now before making the next guess. I am clicking the hint control to open it and choose reveal actor, which should give a decisive cast clue for guess 9 when the synopsis will also appear next turn. This is a meaningful non-loop action because extracting the mandatory hint is higher value than a blind guess here. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest feedback row on screen says the target is newer than 1963, rated lower than 8.2, and overlaps drama and thriller while adventure is not on the target. Earlier rows also pointed to crime and a Robert De Niro overlap. Casino is a strong next guess because it is a movie after 1987 with Robert De Niro and crime, drama, thriller, and its 8.2 rating should help narrow whether the target sits just below that band. I'm using a short title fragment, then selecting the drop-down row and clicking guess so the submission definitely registers. Type card is green for Casino, and my guess median is movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther, and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1995. Rating is farther, and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 8.2. Overlapping genres are crime and drama. Thriller is not on the target. Overlapping actor is Robert De Niro. Sharon Stone and Joe Pesci are not on the target. No director overlap with Martin Scorsese. The visible final guest synopsis says Jack Reacher investigates a trained military sniper after a mass shooting, which strongly points to Jack Reacher. Constraints: the target is a movie newer than 1995, rated below 8.2 by more than 0.5, includes crime and drama, shares Robert De Niro, and is likely the guest title should avoid repeating Casino. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest row confirms the target is newer than 1995, rated lower than 8.2, overlaps crime and drama, and shares Robert De Niro, but the visible synopsis specifically describes Jack Reacher investigating a trained military sniper after a mass shooting. That synopsis is highly specific and identifies Jack Reacher directly, so this is the best final guess despite imperfect overlap with earlier rows. I will type the title, ensure the exact match is selected, and click guess for the 10th submission. Nice, the answer was Jack Reacher, and it took 10 guesses to close it out. The key tells were that it was definitely a movie. The final synopsis about Jack Reacher investigating a military sniper gave it away, and the win screen confirms the exact year 2012 with a 7.0 rating.